Good morning, happy Wednesday. Y'all already know I'm at Aldi's. Get ready to go in here and grab some of these candles. From what I see on the ad, they have some of those Jo Malone dupes. I'm so sorry, y'all. These candles will be released next week. First week in March. They look very, very similar to Jo Malone candles. So I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna grab some of them. But before we get started, welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all the people that's watching everything, vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthroughs, sip and chat, and following your girl on Instagram, as well as using or following my hashtag Kimble Lit Wicks or Kimble Lit Wick. You are my MVP, my MVP, my MVP of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting. Like I said, I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna grab some of those candles. I'm thinking about the oil diffusers, you know, the one with the little sticks, the little reed things or whatever they call. I'm thinking about getting those, but from my experience, they don't usually throw good at all. But I do have one in my bathroom and I kind of want to get something to refill it. So it depends on the price. It depends on the price, because I don't recommend those. I'm just saying, to me, they're a waste of money. They don't throw good. Yeah. They don't throw good. So I don't even know why I really want one. But I'm most definitely going to look at them. And that's really gonna be it for Aldi. Aldi really don't have a lot. If you follow me on Instagram, I did post a picture of a new price point. I'm not sure if some of those candles, the 3-wick candles, was in the wrong spot. I don't know. Or is Aldi going up again on their candles, the 3-wick candles, to $4.99? I'm kind of sort of feeling, I'm like 80% feeling like those candles was in the wrong spot, and I probably should have grabbed them and got a price check, but I didn't. But I will post the picture so y'all will know, y'all will see it. But if you follow me on my Instagram, I did post that on my Instagram. Hopefully Aldi is not going up. Hopefully Aldi is not going up on the price, because I feel like $4.29 is a pretty good price. No, $5 isn't super expensive, but to me, I don't know if I'll buy Aldi candles for $5. Yes, it is cheaper than Bath and Body Works and Goose Creek and all these other places, DW, all those places. Yes, it is, and they do have nice candles, but I'm just so used to getting them for $3.99 and the $4.29. So I probably would still buy them, but I most definitely will not buy as many as I do. So if they go up to that $5 price point, I most definitely will slow down on how many candles I buy. Also, next week, I'm not for sure if they have them in the stores. Oh no, it's this week. They also have the, is it next week? I don't know, it's either this week or next week. They're gonna have the St. Patrick's Day candles. It's gonna be 4, and they're gonna have a special limited edition wraps around the jar. Super nice, super cute. I believe it's all new scents, but this week I think they got like 12 candles that was released today. I think, I'm not 100% sure on that, but I think it was like 12 candles released today, like 3 different collections. So let's go in here and see what they got. Let's go. I got my little bag. It's cold. It's getting ready to get bad again, y'all. We finna get another snowstorm. So that's the reason why I'm just gonna go ahead on up here and get this stuff.
Good morning.
Good morning. So let's see what they got. Let's see if we can find anything. If you have not tried the bath salt at Aldi, I highly recommend it, especially for this price. I actually might go back for the rose one, but this is an amazing price. These makeup cloths, pretty good. I bought some of those last year. Amazing. These candles, it's a pass for me. Overpriced, way overpriced. With these candles, you are most definitely paying for packaging. These are single wick and $10. You're paying for packaging. It's a pass for me. Major pass. thumbs down on that one. The coffee, French coffee maker, I do have some of those, but I didn't get them from Aldi. I got them from Target a couple of years ago on the clearance deal, so it's a pass for me on that. I heard that these wax melts do not give off a really good throw, so I passed. These candles, it was a pass for me as well, because I feel like single wick, $7, overpriced. Even though the scent is amazing, they really have some nice scents. This lemon macaron is good, super good. I'm not sure what's going on with Aldi's and these Christmas candles. A day late, dollar short. Come on, these candles is super late, and I think they're what, $9, I believe. Way overpriced, and it's a pass for me. As you see, nobody's buying them. They're just too late. I feel like they should clearance these out just to get them out the store, and they have tons. So it was a pass for me on these as well. They still have these wax melts. If you have not got your hands on this white almond, I highly recommend that one, as well as that sugar petal one. Valentine clearance. Valentine candles is on clearance. $2.14 is not bad at all. I had to sit the camera down so I could take a few pictures for Instagram. If you're not following me over there on Instagram, please do so. It's Kimble Rene. Also follow my hashtag Kimble Lit Wicks or Kimble Lit Wick. Also, these holiday candles was a pass as well. Aldi need to put these on clearance. I'm just saying, these should be clearance. Okay, y'all. Oh, it was a buzz. Oh my God, I didn't find anything. Those one candles, they were too expensive. The candles with the, I don't even know what they call them. Clock? Whatever they call them. Those things was $10. I didn't want any of those ceramic or whatever those jars was. I didn't want any of those. So this week was a total pass for me. Only thing I got was some of this candy for my son. Well, one for me, one for my son. And then I got this thing for my windshield, which was $13, I believe. So that was it. That's all that I have. Those Joe Malone candles actually come out next week. I thought they came out this week, but they come out next week. So this week was a total bust for me. Sorry, y'all. My work bag. Yes, this week was a total bust for me. Hopefully next week will be a better week. So yeah. So that's all I got. I just spent $16 today. That was it. That was it. I hate that I got my days mixed up because I wouldn't even stop here. But I actually do need this because, like I said, we are getting another winter storm. So I'm going to need this for today and tomorrow. So that wasn't bad. Yeah. So leave in the comments. Let me know, did you grab any of those candles for this week? Leave that in the comments. They did have those Valentine candles for, I think, $2.19 or something like that. I passed on those. So if you are looking for some backups of those candles, they should be on clearance because Valentine is over. So yeah, you could grab some of those. I passed. I'm good on that. I only got one of the candles, which was what, last week or the week before. So yeah, it was a total bust. Let me know, or is this a past week for you, or what did you buy this week at Aldi? It doesn't have to be candles. Just leave in the comments. Let me know, what did you buy this week at Aldi's? Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, leave your girl some comments, follow me on Instagram, as well as use or follow my hashtag Kimble Lit Wicks or Kimble Lit Wick. All that stuff actually do help my channel. Thank y'all for always supporting me. Thank y'all for always watching all of my videos. I truly appreciate y'all, all my MVP riders. And because of you, your girl keep posting. So I'll see y'all in the next video. All right. Peace.